Guys, I caught a bass. A big bass, right? We caught a turtle, guys. I don't know if another bass. Alright. It's the second bass of the day. It's a small one. Okay, let's release it. Guys, let's release it here. Let's release it here. Good morning, guys. I'm here today in this place, and I'm going to check if there's some fish in here. Actually, there's a pan in here, and I wanna know if we're going to get anything. Okay, let's check it out, guys. There's a lot of birds in here too. I noticed there's a lot of birds. Okay, maybe I can go on the other side there, or here. See, this is the place. I think we could start from here. Okay, let's try to fish, guys. Let's try. I heard there's a lot of frogs and animals here. So, okay. Let's try to fish here on this side and maybe on that side too. Okay? Let's wait, guys. See you later. Honestly, guys, I am not sure if there's some fish in here, but I wanna try. Okay? First cast. Guys, the water is very shallow, so I believe we will not get anything here. Okay, so I'll move to Bluffers Park then. Okay, see you there. Bye bye. Here in this park, because the pond that I was earlier seems like very shallow, and I notice my hook is not going down, so I'm back here in this park, and let's see. Hopefully there's something here. Okay, guys, let's try here. Same thing, I'm going to use Canadian night crawler. Okay, guys, let's try first cast. Guys, we got something here. We got something here, guys. We got something here. Let's see what it is. Let's check what's this. Whoa! It's a nice size bass. Whoa! Imagine, guys, I caught a bass. Woohoo! Bass! Yeah, it's big! Guys, I caught a bass. A big bass, right? Let's release it here. Let's release it here, guys. Let's release it here. Go. Go. There you go. That's nice. That's nice. Here. Oh, it's another bass. Guys, we caught another bass. Alright. It's the second bass of the day. It's a small one. Okay, let's release it. Guys, let's release it here. Let's release it here. There you go. He's still here. Come, come, come. Go, 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 go. Go, go. Go there, go on the dip. Go on the dip. There you go. Can't believe it, guys. That's the second bass. Guys, we got another one. Let's check what is this. Let me just position the camera. Holy cow! We caught a turtle, guys. I don't know if this is snapping turtle or what. Guys, we caught a turtle. Let me figure out how to take this out. I don't know if this is going to bite or what, but I have a okay. So guys, okay, here you go. We caught two bass, one catfish and a turtle. Okay, let's release it, guys. Let's release the turtle here. Okay, there you go. There you go. We got two bass. Go. You're still hiding. Okay, to make it easier for you, let's put it on the water here. The water. There you go. It's taking long. There it's going. Looks like it's going. He's hiding, guys. Okay. So guys, that's it for today. We caught two bass, one catfish, and a turtle, a small turtle. Thank you for watching, guys. Hopefully next time we will catch more. but since I only have few hours to fish today, but still it's okay. See you again next time. Bye bye.